Hello students, welcome to SAM Study Lab. 10 lines on aeroplane. Aeroplane is modern means of air transport. Aeroplanes were invented by the Wright brothers in 1903 on the 17th of December. It has two wings. There are many types of aeroplanes which differ in size and weight. Aeroplanes made our journey very convenient and time saving. It needs a runway for landing and takeoff. There is an air hostess who helps passengers. A person who operates an airplane is called a pilot. The departure and arrival of an airplane are called takeoff and landing. Aeroplanes are equipped with sophisticated navigation and communication systems such as GPS and radar.